At the same time, there are a number of vacancies that need to be filled. These vacancies created by the tragic passing of Minister Jackson Mthembu and Deputy Minister Resuflle and the appointment of former Minister Pax Tau as MEC in Gauteng. Further vacancy has arisen following the request I have received from Minister Zwelini Mkhize to allow him to step down as the Minister of Health in order to bring certainty and stability to the health portfolio. I'm grateful to Minister Mkhize for his service to our country, and particularly for the outstanding leadership he has provided in the face of the worst pandemic in over a century in our country. I have also accepted a long-standing request by Minister Tito Mboweni to be excused from his position as Minister of Finance. Minister Mboweni took up this position following the sudden departure of former Minister Nhlanhla Nene in October 2018. Since then, he has effectively and ably steered National Treasury through extremely difficult economic times, providing leadership and instilling confidence. I'm grateful to Minister Mboweni for responding to the call I made to him to serve our nation at its time of great need. I had prevailed on him to stay on, even as he wanted to leave earlier. And today, I've acceded to his request to leave. And we wish him well in his endeavors, and I'm sure that he will continue to excel and also be available for certain tasks that he may be given from time to time to serve our people. We're making certain changes to the configuration of government, departments, and ministries. The first of these is to separate the Ministry of Human Settlements from the Ministry of Water and Sanitation. At the beginning of this administration, we had brought these two portfolios together on the understanding that the provision of water is closely tied to the development of human settlements. However, the reality is that water is a far broader issue, impacting not only on human settlements, but also on agriculture, industry, mining, and environmental management. Water is our country's most critical natural resource. Water security is fundamental to the lives and health of our people, to the stability of our society, and to the growth and sustainability of our economy. We've therefore decided that water and sanitation should be a separate ministry, which will enable a dedicated focus on ensuring that all South Africans have access to a secure and sustainable supply of this precious resource. The second change we are making is to do away with the Ministry of State Security and place political responsibility for the State Security Agency in the Presidency. This is also done by a number of other governments around the world. This is to ensure that the country's domestic and foreign intelligence services more effectively enable the President to exercise his responsibility to safeguard the security and integrity of the nation. With respect to ministers, I am making the following new appointments. In the presidency, I'll be appointing Mr. Mondling Gugubele, Communications and Digital Technologies, Ms. Kumbuzo Nchabeni, Defense and Military Veterans, Ms. Thandi Modise, Finance, Mr. Enoch Godongwana, Health, Mr. Joe Patla, Human Settlements, Ms. Mamuluku Kubai, Public Service and Administration, Ms. Ayanda Dlodlo, Small Business and Development, Minister Stella Ndabeni Abrahams, Tourism, Ms. Lindiwe Sisulu, Water and Sanitation, Mr. Senzo Mkhulu. Minister Nosiviwe Mapisa Ngakula will be deployed to a new position,